Hi, now we will see about microservices. Microservices is a way of breaking large software projects into loosely coupled modules which communicate with each other through simple APIs. So now we will see characteristics about microservice. So microservice is many smaller, clearly scoped services. It's a single responsibility principle. It's a domain-driven development. It's a bounded context, independently managed. Clear ownership for each service. Typically, we need to adapt the DevOps model. Clear ownership for each service. So microservice, it's easy integration and automatic deployment using open source continuous integration tools such as Jenkins, Hudson, and etc. Okay. Now we will see the microservices architecture. This is the sample microservice architectures. Okay, the different service running and the same platform. So here you can see the load balancers, the API gateway, then the account service, recommendation service, customer service, and a catalog DB, customer DB. This sample architecture for microservice. Now we will see about concept, I mean the service independency graph. Your application service may depends on the service X, Y, Z. So service Y will communicate with service L, service M. So I mean the services are independently running in your cloud system. Okay. So now we'll see why we need a microservice. Why microservice means microservice is faster and simpler deployments and rollbacks. So it's independent speed of delivery by different teams. It's the right framework tool language for each domain. So it's a recommendation component using Python, catalog service in Java, greater resiliency like a fault isolation, better availability if architected right. Then the main thing is in future you have developed your biggest applications. If you want to change some other language like from Java to Groovy, Python, something, so it's very difficult to change in service-oriented architecture. Whereas microservice, we can easily change the language for service. Now we will see auto scaling. So use Amazon Web Service auto scaling groups to automatically scale your microservice. Okay. Now we will see a final summary about microservice. Microservice, especially for platform independent, we can easily develop our applications independently. We can distribute our application as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this presentation. Thank you for watching this presentation. Please subscribe.